Hi guys, this is Gail with Gail's Southern Living. I am doing Vlogmas Day 5. So for today's Vlogmas, I wanted to show you a new addition to our backyard homestead. We got 2 new chickens. So they're both Easter eggers. Molly decided she wanted to join in on the fun. So there's a mama and her young one, which is 3 months old. The young one's 3 months old. And this is what they look like. They're both Easter eggers. And I decided to add a little Christmas flair to their chicken coop. This is a picture I got after Christmas at Walmart one year. So I just had thrown in a few mealworms there. So they're looking to see if they can find any more. But I'm about to feed them. Well, obviously the mama and the baby are going to fight over food. That's not cool. So anyway, I decided since I got them in December to name them Christmas names. So I'm going to name the older one Noel, and I'm going to name the younger one Holly. So it's going to be Noel and Holly. And I'll have to figure out how to tell them apart. I'm guessing the real skinny one is the 3-month-old. And the little bit bigger one is the older one, the mama. So that's what they look like, my new hens. So I just wanted to introduce you to my new hens and let you see what they look like. The small one looks a lot like Stevie. Oh, well, that's not cool. You would think the mama and the baby would get along, but apparently they don't. That's not good. All right, guys, have a great day. Be blessed. Do something kind, guys. Okay, so since we have the new hens, one of them is supposed to be broody. So I took the 3 eggs from the other layers over here on the other side, and I'm going to sacrifice these eggs and see if this broody hen will actually get broody on my eggs. So as you can see, these eggs are 3 different colors. So they're more than likely from 3 different kinds of chickens. So hopefully we'll get some new hens. We'll see how it goes. I will let you know the progress of this. So I decided to go ahead and add this to the other video. So have a great day. Be blessed. Do something kind, guys.